These fun images and videos are making massive views, so this is on how you can make it too.
Alright guys, let's get started. So I know that most of you have been wondering on how to create videos like this. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create those videos. So I'll be leaving the link to all the tools that I use on this video description. Please, if it's your first time of coming across my description, please do well to like and subscribe, please. So now let's get started. So you get over to your chat GPT and select Object Talks. Okay, so I will drop the link under my video description, okay, in case you don't know how to get there. So I'll just drop it there for you. So you come to this place and then type any series of object that you really want it to talk. Maybe you want flutes, so you can just type in flutes here. Okay, so once you just type in flutes, then you send. So it's going to generate a prompt for you about flutes. Okay, so it's a text to image prompt. Okay, so this is what you are going to copy, and it's going to show you other related objects. Okay, like banana, then strawberry, okay, orange. Okay, so for you to create all this now, so let's say we want to start with the apple. Okay, so you just have to copy the prompt here. So once you highlight the prompt, you copy, then you head over to the nano OpenArt. So when you come to your OpenArt, then you create on this let me start here. So you come over to this image. Okay, you just click on the image, then you see create image, you click on create image to bring it to this place. Then you switch this place, you see switch here, click on it, then you see nano banana pro, you click on it, then it's going to be just like this. Then you paste in your prompt here. So once you paste in your prompt here, you click on generate. No, you come over down here, then you select your phone. This is, I'm using 1960 9.16. Then you put your resolution to 2K. Okay, then image that you want to use is just like 1K. So when you're done with that, you click on create. Okay, once you click on create, it's going to start generating your image. Okay, so all you have to just do is just to wait for it here to finish downloading. So once this is done, I don't want the video to be too long. Once this is done, you head back over to your chat GPT. When you head over to your chat GPT back, you will see that chat GPT have also generated a script for you. Just copy the script. Okay, just copy the script, then head over to this place. Okay, so wait for it to finish loading up. So once this is done loading up, then we paste the script in. So once you have done this, see it have downloaded. So the next thing to do is to turn this to video. All right, so what you're going to do in this case, I will download this first. Okay, I'll just save it to my device. So once you have done that, then you head over to home. So when you come to home, you see edit image. So what we need now is image to video. Okay, so we need image to video. Okay, so you come to videos here, then you see image, you click on it, then this is where you are going to select crane 2.6. okay, so just make sure you select that, then you paste in the image you want to use here. But in this to the device, you come back here, then remember you can use your you can as well use your laptop for this. It's better as well. So when you select it, then click on done, then it will load up. Okay, so here is where you're going to paste your prompt. So here you just say, image say, then you paste the prompt you copied. Okay, so once you paste the prompt that
Alright, so after you have already done that, so now what next you need to do? This place is not going to work because it's actually a paid version. So I will show you how I use it on the app. So watch and see how I do this on the app. But if you have the money, you can subscribe here and it's still going to work. So let's move over and show you how it works in the app. So in this case, I'll be using the Drink AI app. So I will also drop the link of this to the description, so make sure you click the link. So if that one don't work, you can use this one. Then come over to this place, you see, just swipe side, then click on image to video. Okay, then the same thing that we are going to do, just upload your image. Okay, just the same way. Then once you're done uploading your image, then put in your prompt. The cartoon character says, okay, then paste in your prompt here. Okay, then click on done. Okay, so once you are done with that, this video will just be like for 5 seconds. So once you're done with that, you click on generate. Okay, so we're going to click on generate now. So you just have to wait for it to load. Alright guys, so now it's done generating. Okay, so you just have to play it and see what it's.
I'm sweet, but I'm not candy. Fiber slows the sugar you fear. Eat me whole, I work smarter than dessert. I'm sweet, but I'm not candy. Fiber slows the sugar
So
you fear.
you see
Eat me whole,
how
I work smarter than dessert.
so you see how it comes out. So all you need to do is head over to your CapCut and then crop it so that the watermark will not be included. So to download this, just click on it
I'm sweet.
and then click on this arrow button that is close to the star.
I'm sweet, but I'm not candy. Fiber slows the sugar you fear. Eat me whole, I work smarter than
You are
dessert.
free to
I'm sweet, but I'm
click
not
on
candy.
video.
Fiber slows the sugar. I'm sweet, but I'm not candy. Fiber slows the sugar you fear. Eat me whole, I work smarter than dessert.
Alright guys, so do well to like and subscribe if this video is helpful, and also share with your friends that will be needing it. Thank you so much.